So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 1 disposal. This is in-sink aerator. You can't see it, but it's a 1/3 horse. That's what we have at our house. Brand new flange up there, new putty, so that's good. Then we give you a new telescoping kit. Originally they called and said, the tubular piping, which was the metal piping, was in here and it had corroded through. So we were just going to replace that. Got here and the disposal was a mess, so we replaced that as well. It is hardwired in, but that's fine. We got a little restraint down here so it doesn't pull through. Got it wired up and it's working correctly. We ran lots of water down it. There's no leaking, so you're in good shape now. This is your basket strainer and the nut, so that's yours. Hopefully that doesn't start leaking at all. But the only thing we can say right now is this faucet up here. It's pretty hard to function, and so just keep an eye on that. If the harder it gets, the more chance you run of popping something loose here. But right now it functions. If it gets to be more problematic for you, then just give a holler. We'll come out and replace it for you. Outside of that, this installation is done.